A house with a credit score lower than your grandma's age? Now that's a horror story. Imagine being a young man, his dream house slipping away, all because of a pesky credit score. But don't worry, there's a light at the end of this tunnel. Say goodbye to your credit score woes with Epic Resolutions. We're not just a company, we're a game changer, turning credit scores around from a dismal 450 to a dazzling 800 in just 6 months. Sounds too good to be true? Well, don't just take our word for it. Look us up on the web at epicresolutions.com. Listen to the success stories from our happy clients. Jane went from a dismal 450 to a stellar 800 credit score in just 6 months. Tom, a skeptic at first, now raves about our service. These folks turned their financial life around. So can you. Are you ready to contact this amazing company? epicresolutions.com today. Stop struggling alone. Let Epic Resolutions guide you to a dream credit score. Enjoy a financial life you've only imagined. Don't let your credit score be a horror story. Contact Epic Resolutions today and build your dream financial life. Still thinking about it? Don't delay. Get in touch with Epic Resolutions. Every second you wait, you're losing precious time. Time that you could be using to repair your credit score, build your financial future, and live the life you've always dreamed of. The importance of starting immediately cannot be overstated. With each passing day, your credit score continues to impact your life in ways you may not even realize. Whether it's a loan you need for a new house or a credit card for emergencies, a good credit score can make the difference. By signing up with Epic Resolutions, you're not just getting assistance, you're getting a comprehensive plan tailored to your specific needs. You're getting a team of experts dedicated to helping you every step of the way. The urgency of taking action now is crucial. Your financial future is not something to gamble with. It's something to build brick by brick with careful planning and expert guidance. Don't wait. Contact Epic Resolutions now and start building your dream financial life. The time is now, and the choice is yours. Make the right decision today. Are you wondering how to take the first step? It's simple. Just head over to our website, epicresolutions.com. On our homepage, you'll find a Contact Us button. Click it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can fill out a brief form with some basic information about yourself and your financial situation. This will help us to understand your needs better. Once you hit the Submit button, one of our team members will get in touch with you to discuss the next steps. Remember, your information is completely confidential and we're here to help you. We understand that taking the first step can be daunting, but we assure you it's the best step you'll ever take towards a secure financial future. So don't hesitate. Visit epicresolutions.com today and let's start building.